come to the stage. What is your talent?
To sound like Mickey Mouse. I can sound like Mickey Mouse.
Okay, show me some.
Oh, hi, pal. You guys need to shut up. Actually, it's annoying.
Okay, could you sing a song as Mickey?
Hey, and now the day he bleeds into nightfall.
Oh my
And
gosh.
you're not here.
Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful.
You get me through it all. Yay. Yay.
You know, I really just don't see the purpose of this, so I'm gonna have to do a Red Bull. Okay, you got 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 4 green buzzards. That's pretty good. You move on to the next round. Come to the stage.
Oh, yeah. Get up there.
What is your talent?
Why are you walking like that? Well, you see, I can sound like Quagmire and SpongeBob.
Do it.
Let me demonstrate. It's me, SpongeBob.
Wait, what else can you sound like?
Giggity giggity goo. Lois. Peter, the horse is here.
What else can you sound like? Why was that perfect? Thank you. Okay. I feel like that was amazing. I feel like your impressions were pretty good. The monkey one was my favorite. The Quagmire one wasn't very good. But you move on to the next round. You move on to the next round. Okay, Spy, come to the stage. Oh, there you go. What is your talent?
I could sound like Yoda and Stitch.
Okay, why is everybody doing voice impressions? Okay, let's go.
Because I have nothing else to do. Hold up. Let's put some failure. Shut up. Shut up. 1 for 1 million. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Well, how about some Yoda?
You're a failure, you are. Let's go kill the children at the Jedi Temple. I will. You're a failure at the Jedi Temple. I hate you.
Oh my.
It'd be Spider-Man, you can.
Cade, come to the stage. Come to the stage. Oh, hi, Cade. Come on. What is your talent? What is your talent?
So, I have the best dad jokes.
Okay. I'm actually excited to hear it.
So, wait. What kind of shoes do frogs wear?
Jumpers?
Holy Google search.
No, open-toed sandals.
Okay, that was not bad.
Holy Google.
You definitely didn't
Okay.
Google these, right? You didn't Google these, right?
Okay, next joke. I have a broken wrist.
Are you
Okay.
searching? Are you searching?
My wrist is deformed.
Again? You
So,
got a broken wrist again?
I just go in the ATM that only gives. I just go in the ATM that only gives out coins. I don't know why no one's thought of it before. It just makes sense.
Oh my. Okay.
Yo. Boo! I don't like that joke.
I can tell you've googled some of the questions, so I don't accept that kind of.
My wrist is deformed.
Oh, okay, my bad. Oh, hello. Okay, what's your talent? What's your talent?
My secret talent is I can sound like an alien.
He's levitating! Oh! Do you see this?
I can sound like an.
You can sound like
I
a
can
what?
sound like an alien.
Okay, let me hear it. Oh my gosh. That was it's. I personally think that didn't require much. Okay, he left. Skibit, come to the stage. Now, what is your secondary second performance? Are you going to be singing? Are you going to be doing some more singing? What song will you be singing?
I'm gonna be doing Donald Duck.
Oh, you have another. Okay, what's that?
Get him out of here! This is double rabies!
Hey, where are you going?
You sounded like a dog with rabies. Would Osnio come to the stage?
Yeah.
Monkey!
Hey, what is your talent? Or what are you doing?
I can chug 3 glasses of milk in less than 30 seconds.
I can do that.
Huh?
I can do that. You're gonna have to send me a
20
video.
seconds.
You're gonna have to send me a video.
I ran out of milk, so we're gonna do 2 glasses in 40 seconds. Here you go.
Okay, but in the meantime, I could sound like Steve from the Minecraft movie.
Okay.
I am Steve.
I am Steve.
Yeah, exactly.
Chicken jockey. Wait, he removed my mic. I'm not done yet.
I like toys.
Chicken jockey.
I like
Lincoln
toys.
Steve. I am Steve. What is it? Release.
Wait, how do you get?
Coming in hot. Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
I'm Steve.
If you send me a video of chugging the milk, you will get a green.
Okay, I'll do that right now. I'll be right back.
Okay. Cade, you should do stand-up comedy. Would Cade come to the stage?
Go there. There. There, behind.
Early access my ass.
Oh yeah.
What will you be?
Man is back.
What will you be doing? Are you doing stand-up comedy? Which I wish you would.
So, I know last round I had a big hit with dad jokes, so we are going to continue with some bigger and better ones. So,
Stop.
what happened to the 2 slices of bread that went on a date?
They fell into a sandwich.
It was love at first sight.
Oh my.
Loaf at first sight, like love at first sight.
Yeah, I did. Stop with the sound.
Okay, so. Why do crabs never volunteer?
Why?
Because they're shellfish.
Okay, one more.
Okay, one more. The final joke. What's a shark's favorite saying?
Bro.
Man overboard.
That was amazing, dude. Good job. Okay, now it's just turn.
Come up with them so fast, first place.
What are you doing?
Don't want to do that.
I'm very freaky.
Oh, that is so true.
Actual
My
talent.
name's Jeff.
Wait.
You should do stand-up comedy.
Why? Okay.
Bro, get back.
What did the cow say to the pigeon?
What?
No,
I'm hungry.
That was a lot harder than I thought.
Sorry, you've been.
Thank you to that one judge. This one judge right here, I can kiss you so hard. Mwah.
You've been eliminated from the challenge. You may now leave. Hey, my judge. Be quick. Okay, what is your? Oh, you. How about you talk to him? Ask him what his talent is.
What's your talent, mister? Stand-up comedy.
Okay, okay,
Oh my
okay.
Get out of there!
Okay, come on. It's okay. Stop. Let him speak. Let him talk. Let him cook.
So, I was in Boston. Wait, no, I was in Branson with my cousin Steve.
Okay, go.
So, I was in Branson with my cousins. And we had this cabin. And there was these trails that we would go. Oh my gosh. And there was these trails that we would go down, and there was a warning that said, beware of bears. So the obvious answer for me and my cousins was to go down there. Yeah. We're smart like that. But we kept on going down because we knew there was a fishing dock there. And when we finally got down there, there was no bears. Who would have known in Branson there isn't any bears? But my brother didn't want to come down because he actually thought there was bears there. So we get like halfway down the hill to show them the dock, and he's like, but I don't want to go down there. There's bears. Stop. Okay. And then the next day, my brother gets sick. And guess what we were doing that day? What? Going to Silver Dollar City, and he was sick. Thanks for him. And then after we got back from there, he was still sick. And he got left alone at the house because we all went fishing at the dock. What are you?
Stop. Leave it.
Oh my God.
I feel like that
Why
wasn't
so
very
many
funny. That was not comedy. That was just a story.
Your turn, mister. Where'd the microphone go?
Where's my microphone?
He can turn it on and off.
Testing. Oh, you guys love it. We got the dad jokes. Okay. So. Let me think. What did one slice of bread say to the other before the race?
I don't know.
You're toast. Okay.
Continue.
How did I know my girlfriend thought I was invading her privacy? She wrote it in her diary.
Okay. Joke.
I was such a good navigator, a self-driving car once asked me for directions.
What? No. You're not. Oh yeah, you are a judge, but okay, you're fine. You are a judge.
But he's biased.
He's a judge. You can judge what you want. Okay. What? Okay. Leave in your final vote. Leave in your final vote now. Stop. What's your final vote? Okay, everybody got green. Okay, you move on to the next round, my good sir.
Hit the back.
Osme out. It's your turn.
Thank you.
Okay, Osme out.
phone. I have returned to turn my thumb. My
Okay,
talent is
stop.
to turn into canine.
Do it. Okay, continue. Oh my gosh, you're canine.
Hey guys, it's me canine. Wait, hold on. Wait, hey guys, it's me canine.
Kanon's like, I think Kanon is dead.
Okay, just for that, just for that.
Hey guys, it's me canine. Canine.
Hey, all Cade has to do is get 4 greens to win. Good job, you may now leave. Hello.
Stop.
Hey,
Yeah,
what is
shut
your,
up.
what are you doing today?
Sorry.
Again.
Sorry. We're gonna do the same thing I've done for the other rounds that worked well.
Remember, you have to get 4 greens to win.
Really putting the pressure on me. Okay. So, why do melons have weddings?
Why?
They can't elope.
He's Googling it. His controllers aren't together. He has his phone in his hand. He's Googling it.
No, he's not.
What
It's
did
so
the-
obvious.
What did the bison say when his son left the ranch?
What?
Bison.
Okay, that one's pretty funny.
That's not funny. He Googled
What's your other joke, man?
So, watch what you say around the
Yeah,
egg.
Look at him. Look at his
Egg
phone.
whites.
He's trying to Google it.
They can't take a yolk.
Okay, one
I'm
more,
so
one
good
more.
at fixing things. My motto is, if it's broke, I still fix it.
Dad jokes online.
Bro, that's not even funny.
Tell me
It's
another
so
one.
fair.
Like, when does a joke become a dad joke?
Tell me
Yes,
another
kid.
one.
Kids.
Becomes a parent.
Bro, he's Googling it. You're gonna give him 3 check marks. That's unfair. I was original and I had my own ideas.
Unfair, bro.
What's the best way to save your dad jokes?
What? How?
Database.
That's a W.
Bro,
Say it. He did it.
Go.
Cade
he
won.
Googled all the jokes. He just
Good job, good job.